Yes, you can make over $1,000 per month by creating just animations. Guys, it is real. Just like I am making it right now, $1,000 every month, sometimes over $1,000 I make per month by just creating animations, posting them on my channels. And also, I get contracts from companies to advertise for them using animations. My guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to make money by just creating animations. There's a lot of money in animations. Most of you don't know this. All right, I'll be revealing the secret, guys. Stay with me to this video. Hi guys, thanks for joining me. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a new channel I just opened for the purpose of tutorials and stuff like that. Okay, I have other channels where I blog and do so many other things that I have some followers. Yeah. But this is a new channel. Thanks for joining me here. Okay, today I'm gonna be telling you how to make money or how to create animations. Okay, quickly before I start, if you are new, kindly subscribe please so that you will not miss out. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Please, guys, subscribe, please. All right, thanks. If you're subscribed, okay, let's continue. Okay, for those of you that are asking, how do I create animations? I don't have laptop. I don't have things. I don't have software. I don't know the software. I don't know how they do it. Is it magical? Is it experts that do it? No, my dear, you can do it. You can create your own animation using just your smartphone. Just your smartphone. You can start creating animation with just your smartphone. All you have to do is to download the applications needed, and that's all. You're good to go. Today, I'm going to show you just one of the application, and I'm going to show you how the application works. Right? You'd love to see it, right? And I'm telling you guys, I'm making a lot of money from just creating animations. Companies, establishments, and industries, they are looking for people that are good in this and are doing it. You know how much I make? Sometimes I make over $1,000 from just creating animations. Guys, you don't want to miss this, right? You can start today. It's not just hard. It's not hard like you think. It's simple. It's just to follow simple steps. All right, let me quickly take you guys through this video. Let me just show you one example. If you don't understand it, some of you that are new might not understand it, but don't worry. All I want you to do is just drop a comment that in the comment section that you would love to learn this animation, and I'll take you step by step, show you the application, take you step by step till you understand. It is not hard, just like I said. It is not hard.
Alright, welcome guys. Today I'll be teaching you how to make animation on with your smartphone. Alright, if you can see this application right now, this is Zcut. This is one of the applications you can use on your smartphone to create animation. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Yeah, it takes some time to load because the app is very powerful. Okay, like you can see, it's the first line one is showing new movie. This plus sign is showing new movie, which is if you want to create new project like new movie you want to start. At the other side, the other hand, which is the right part, you can see a movie which I'm already working on already, which is the Elite Love Saga. This is a project I'm working on currently, as you can see. So I'm going to click on this project. I just want to show you guys some stuff. Okay, it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see, let me take you through this thing before this thing show the picture. You can see this right up. These are the conversation and interaction. You know, how to converse with each other, both from two characters in the scene. This is scene one. You can see scene one, scene two, scene three, scene four, scene five, scene six, scene seven, scene eight, and scene nine. All right, guys, let me click from this scene one. I just click on scene one. You can see scene one. This is a character I created. You know, this guy is one of the characters which you can actually get characters. Now let me show you where if you open it, where you can pick character. As this character is, I can still change this character. Now let me show you how. Look at this place. Look at this scene. Under there we have the street white shot. Under it we have Otto walking close to a car that's continuation. Then this last part I say pick actor. Pick actor. This one. Can you see the sign? This one I'm clicking on. Pick actor. Click on it. It will show you different characters. Whichever actor you want to pick from, that you want to use. Look, we have different characters here, as you guys can see. Okay, we have different characters. So you can pick anyone. You can decide to pick this lady or this guy or this lady, you can see we have enough. See, you see how plenty it is. Okay, you can see how many it is. All right. So once you pick a character, let me just pick this lady at the middle. Now, for example, once you pick a character, it will be like this. Can you see it as appear on the scene? Okay. Now, let me click on it, and you will see. Okay, first of all, okay, let me click on it, so you will see how it goes. Once you click on the character, just press this done. Yeah, press done. So you can see it as loaded. Now press play. You can see they are both working together and are talking. All the girls I've dated so far, this girl. I hope you guys are seeing it. So this is how to put character in a scene. Now, if you want to dialogue, if you want to talk, like you want to talk, go down, check down. Like you can see down of this screen right now. It shows dialogue having eight. I have eight chances to create dialogue. That's the meaning. Look at the second one is interaction. I have 12 chances to create interaction. The third one is sound. I have 3 chances to create sound. And the fourth one is music. I have 3 chances to create music. And the sixth one is intertitle. That's the title you want to give each scene or episode. Hope you guys are understanding. Okay, now I will click on okay, let's take this for example. Now I want to click on dialogue. I want to conversate. Okay, now they will ask you which cast or which character do you want him or her to talk. So you pick the character. This author is the guy, and this both E is the girl, is the lady. Okay, now I've picked the body. Let body talk. Okay, I am just outside with you. Okay, once you're done, click on it, it will load. Once it loads, play it. I'm just outside with you. Where is he standing? I can't. You can see it. Now let's take it again. Finally. Do you see the I'm just outside with you? Girls have dated so far. This girl captured my heart differently. This is the dialogue already put in the guy's mouth in the first place. Now the guy's going to respond on what we just start. Even when I'm in school, I have to concentrate. I'm just outside with you. I'm just outside with you. Hope you guys heard it. So it has gone to scene 2. So I'm just giving an example of scene 1. So you can use your mobile device to create animation. Okay, guys, I wouldn't want to take much of your time. If you really want to know step by step on how to start to create amazing animation, as I'm telling you right now, guys, I am making over $200, $500 per animation that I create online. I have a company that I'm creating this for, and I'm even advertising for. You can use this animation and this to advertise for companies and all that. I'm telling you, in a month, I'm making up to $1,500. That's $1,500 per month on this animation stuff. So it would be nice for you guys to learn it. It really pays. So if you want me to drop videos step by step, so for you to understand how you're going to create animation just with your mobile device, with your smartphone, you don't even need a laptop to start creating animations like this. And there are more wonderful apps that I'm going to review for you guys and more advanced tools. So basically, I'm going to start with from you. If you want it, please drop a comment. Drop a comment under this video. Let me know your interest, or if you have any issue, or if you've started already but at some point you are confused, please let me know. Drop your comments and I will go through them and I will start a class for you guys step by steps on how to create animation with your phone free of charge. I'm not going to charge you. Most people, you're going to pay for it. You're going to pay for this animation class, but I'm going to take you guys through step by step here on YouTube without charging you nothing. All right, guys, please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel so when I start dropping videos, you'll not be left out. Thank you very much. Subscribe, ring on notification bell so that once I drop it, you'll be notified immediately. Thank you very much, guys.